Are you in the market for a versatile webcam? Well, this unique product from BenQ is pretty much a Swiss Army knife and can function as either a basic webcam, a document camera, or microcam, plus their free software adds other cool features that makes this a pretty powerful tool. So whether you're jumping onto a call, sharing physical work, or doing content creation, this bad boy just might be the ultimate tool to enhance your workflow. Join me as I demonstrate how I use this for 3D printing to capture the process and get a clearer view of my 3D printed models. Stick around because we're about to put this webcam to a test in a way that the 3D printing community can appreciate. Hey everyone, this is Rohan here. Before I dive in, I just wanted to give special thanks to BenQ for sending me this product to review, but also let you guys know that I'm not getting paid to endorse this product and that I'm giving you my honest thoughts based on my experience. When BenQ reached out to me, they mentioned certain features that could be beneficial for people within the 3D printing niche specifically, and I found that appealing, so I decided to check it out. So we'll find out here together if this webcam can actually deliver, and if there's a place for it at the end of the day within my setup. So let's jump into the unboxing. Within the package, you'll find the documentation, the webcam itself, the base for mounting, the macro lens, and a privacy cover. Inspecting each piece, all of them appeared and felt premium and not made of cheap material. All of the pieces fit together magnetically as well, which is a really nice touch. Something I did notice right away, however, was how heavy the camera and base felt, especially when paired together. I work solely using a laptop, so unfortunately this isn't ideal for my mobile situation. BenQ does mention that for top mounting, monitors are required to have a certain thickness, so this is better suited for dedicated stationary desktop monitors rather than laptops, especially the thin ones like the MacBook Air won't be able to handle this. When I did try top mounting it to my laptop, it felt like it was putting unnecessary stress on the hinges of my computer, which could end up weakening it and become an issue over time. So again, this webcam is best suited for dedicated monitors as demonstrated in all of BenQ's marketing, and they mention that it fits monitors between 1 centimeter and 7.5 centimeters in thickness. In terms of price, this webcam costs $169.99 US, and they also have an S1 Pro model, which has all of the same specs, but includes a remote control and receiver as well. So that version retails for $199.99 US if you're interested in the added accessories. I'd like to take a moment to quickly highlight our sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay.com offers custom 3D printing services using a wide range of materials. They also offer PCB design and assembly, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding, all at reasonable prices and low quantities. Right now they're having their 7 project design contest where you can enter submissions within the electronic project, mechanical project, and STM32 project categories. This contest goes into the project review phase on January 20th, and the results will be announced on March 10th. So get your entries in soon because there's plenty of awesome cash, coupon, and hardware prizes to be claimed. In terms of features, the S1 Plus shoots near 4K resolution in the 16:9 aspect ratio setting at 30 SPS. It can capture even better resolution in the 4:3 aspect ratio and still image setting as well. This camera also features a noise cancelling microphone, which comes in handy for those video calls, as well as a built-in LED ring to help illuminate the subjects. The webcam can capture high resolution images, but it performs best in well-lit conditions, so be sure that your subjects are well lit when using it. The macro lens is a 15x zoom, and the USB cable that's attached to the webcam runs 1.6 meters, which is great for maneuvering around and shooting in its handheld macro cam mode. Physically, the webcam also has a freeze frame button located on the top, as well as a button to toggle on and off the LED light ring. The base also features a 1/4 inch threaded mounting point so that the S1 can actually be placed on a tripod as well, as shown earlier. If you're enjoying this content, please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel, as well as turn on the notification bell so that you can be informed when new videos are released. So getting started is very easy. You just want to be sure to download any firmware updates if there are any. There aren't in my case, so I'm just going to download the free Inspire software. And this is the program that gives you full access to the webcam's features so that you can take full advantage. And here you could adjust the autofocus, manual focus. You can do your freeze frames if you want to capture a still image of your footage. You can also scan QR codes and link over to the website or copy a link. You can take notes directly on the captures that you do. You can adjust your skew and rotation of your footage, as well as get additional zoom for your footage as well. Now, when I come into the settings menu of the Inspire app, I notice that some features are missing, and what I'm referring here to is the split screen and picture-in-picture feature, which I came to realize that is only available on the web version of the Inspire software, not the app version. So this basically gives you the ability to capture multiple screens using more than one webcam connected at once. So the picture-in-picture and split screen modes are compatible with video conferencing apps like Zoom and Microsoft Teams as well, which further expands its capability when you look at the other modes that this can shoot in, like webcam mode, document mode, and the micro cam mode. Now you can basically essentially use two cameras and capture different modes while conferencing on one of those platforms and give yourself more flexibility. And how I was able to incorporate this in my workflow was to basically set up the camera just to capture the print process of the BenQ that I'd made. And I did that using the threaded hole located in the base to set it up on my tripod. And it was maybe a 20-25 minute print that it captured that whole process. So that was set up in webcam mode, but just directed towards the 3D printer to capture that whole process. And the footage came out looking decent, not the greatest, not the most excellent, but still decent. Of course, I did afterwards check out the other two modes, the document camera mode, which is the view just looking directly down at your desktop, which that I can see being valuable for instructors or anybody that needs to capture footage on their desktop in a top-down style view and share it. As well as the macro lens is absolutely the star of the show when it comes to this webcam. The footage that it produces is just absolutely amazing, and the level of detail and precision that you're able to get from this camera is just astonishing. The additional measuring tools that you get from the software, as well as the additional zoom, just takes it to another level as well. And combined with all the other features of this webcam, it really is positioned as a kind of all-in-one tool that people could get value from. So in summary, I really do like this webcam, and thank you again to BenQ for sending this to me. I'm confident that I'll keep this in my workflow and incorporate it going forward, considering its versatility. I'd say some pros that this thing has going for it is its good build quality, its price point considering its range of features, and its unique macro lens feature capable of producing really sharp images. And some cons I would mention is the low light image capability is not the greatest. The full aspect ratio 16:9 footage is not the sharpest as well, so it leaves a bit of room to be desired. And it doesn't feel exactly like a all-in-one solution that you can just count on to do everything just yet. So maybe down the line, but as of right now, I think you would still need a secondary camera to produce the really sharp images that you would want. So that's it. Thanks for sticking around to watch this full review, and I hope you found it informative and entertaining. Let me know what you think as well, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, plus turn on the notification bell so that you can get informed when new videos are released. Links can be found in the video description for any of the resources or products featured, and any affiliate links used helps to support this channel at no extra cost to you, of course. So be sure to check out my other 3D printing videos as well if you like this type of content, and thank you until next time, see you then.